Good afternoon, student. Previous chapter, business services, we learn about the various business services. We go through the next chapter, chapter number 6, on page number 113 in your textbook. The social responsibility of business. In that topic, we are going to learning about in detail about the social responsibility of businesses. We know that every business organization have a main goal is to earn maximization of profit, to face market competition and ranking top in the society and market. They ignore the responsibility towards society. So all responsibility must be fulfilled. Every business organization is run by profit motive, but profit maximization should not be sole aim. Every organization should always make balance between profit and social responsibility. While doing business, they have various types of responsibility towards customer, like they provide the good quality of product to the customer, charging fair prices, not harmful product provided to the customer, etc. Towards owner, they have responsibility. Those who are investing in their business, they have to give fair return, not cheat them. Towards government, they have a business organization have a responsibility about providing various taxes to the government, do a fair practices, not malpractices. Towards employees, they have a various responsibility like provide fair wages, provide various good working condition, etc. Next, they have also social responsibility towards society, about the environment. While doing a business, they are not harmful activity to society, that environment is affected. So all this responsibility of business organization towards society we have to learn in this topic. As well as in this topic we have to learn the business ethics. Ethics means good activity. Businessmen what to do, what to not do, what is good, what is bad, what is fair, what is unfair, that all things we have to learn in this topic. So go through this topic. The next is concept of social responsibility. The concept of social responsibility has been followed in India since ancient time. Philosophers like Chakanya from India and pre-Christian area philosophers in West preached and promoted ethical principles while doing business. Business should be performed in such a good manner that they will not harm any part of the society. Rather, they will protect and contribute to the interests of the society. So, social responsibility means. Next, need for social responsibility. The following points bring out the need for social responsibility of business. That is, first, the concept of trusteeship. Commercial organization operates within the society. They are a part of society. Now it is realized that activity which is not good for public is also not good for business. This is the theory of trusteeship. The businessmen are considered to be the trustees of the society. Thus, business have a social behavior in doing their business towards the society. The society people are trust on businessmen while they provide the services. So, in doing the business, there is a need of trust between the business organization and society. Second, changing expectation of society. World is changing, growing and expanding very rapidly. Over the years, social demand have changed and business should respond them positively. Awareness about the rights is increasing among the people. Overall knowledge level is also increased. Business must operate as per the expectation of society. It should give a society what it wants. In addition, it is should not do anything which is harmful to the society. Reputation. Reputation means the public image, good public image in the mind of people in the society. A business which responds favorably to social needs create a good market reputation and goodwill. It's also imprint good public image. Ultimately, the organization which care for its employees, consumers and society will be respected by them. Such organizations are always about to get good support from. Fourth point of need of social responsibility is protection of environment. Business uses natural wealth and human resources to produce goods and services. Business organizations should make proper use of country's national resources. They should avoid environmental pollution and ecological imbalance. Their practices should be eco-friendly. They should not affect the interests of society and environment. Since society allows business to make use of natural resources and public facilities like road, power, water supply, etc., it becomes moral duty of business to take care of welfare of society. Fourth point of need of social responsibility is protection of environment. Business uses natural wealth and human resources to produce goods and services. Business organizations should make proper use of country's national resources. They should avoid environmental pollution and ecological imbalance. Their practices should be eco-friendly. They should not affect the interests of society and environment. Since society allows business to make use of natural resources and public facilities like road, power, water supply, etc., it becomes moral duty of business to take care of welfare of society. Need of social responsibility is optimum utilization of resources. Generally, large business has huge surplus resources in terms of finance, manpower, talent, and functional expertise. Business should use all the resources for expansion and also for a society benefit. They should provide better life and welfare to different social groups. There should be proper balance when using surplus resources and wastages should be avoided. Tata Tea adopted policy to minimize damages to environment. They extract resources in limited quantity. This is the example of Tata Limited Company. They are adopted various policies to minimize the wastages and damages to the environment. Such policies are adopted to business organization to carefully use of resources and avoid wastage. Need of social responsibility, that is pressure of trade union. In modern times, workers have become conscious of their rights and privileges. Trade unions are growing fast and play important role in a business environment. The employees have realized that their efforts contribute to the profit of the business. So they always come up with new demands. Such demand may result in poor relation between management and workers. They expect management to provide fair wages and other benefits. To avoid such conflicts, business should understand responsibility and act accordingly. Of social responsibility, that is growth of consumer movement. Consumer movement is the movement against business malpractices. Malpractices means the bad conducting techniques of business. It is grounded in India long years back. Today age as organized consumerism. consumers will organize cannot accept any injustice by business. They have raised voice against unfair trading practices because of Consumer Act and awareness program of consumer about the product and the various activities taken place in the society. They accept company to produce good quality product at reasonable prices. Due to the pressure of consumer forums and association, businessmen have realized their social responsibility and following fair trade practice. And last importance of need of social responsibility is government control. There are various government acts for pollution, food, etc. This has put moral as well as legal pressure on business. If business unit do not operate within this limit, then there is a fear of strict government control. To avoid chance of takeover, etc., business should contribute their share for society. Business units should carry all activity with legal, moral and social limit. Government means aim to create favorable atmosphere for economic and industrial growth. The economic and industrial growth, there is a necessity of government control on the business activities. Otherwise, businessmen are harmful to the society. Their activities are not good and favorable for the society. That's why there is a need of social responsibility understood by businessmen for doing the business. All above the points are the basically for saying that there is a need and importance for social responsibility understood by businessmen while doing the business for the betterment of society and themselves also.